Good evening. India is getting new chief for Indian Air Force, and that is going to be V.R. Chowdhury. If you look at our defense systems here, we have Army, Air Force, and Navy, and each one is headed by a chief. And the chiefs of these three armed forces are appointed by the President of India. And once they are appointed, they will have a term of 3 years. They will have a term of 3 years or till they attain the age of 62 years, whichever is earlier. Am I clear? Kindly listen to me once again. The term of the chief of any armed force is 3 years or till he attains the age of 62 years, whichever is earlier. And now we are going to get new chief for Indian Air Force, that is V.R. Chowdhury. Regarding that, I have details and I am going to show you the details now. And at the end, we are going to discuss about one very important concept which India is developing, that is going to come into force to make our armed forces more and more effective because of the growing challenges. Now I am opening the document. Kindly stay tuned. Look at this now. So, Ministry of Defense on September 21st, 2021 has named the Vice Chief of Air Staff, that is Air Marshal V.R. Chowdhury. Kindly remember, currently he is the Vice Chief of Air Staff and he is going to be the next Chief of the Indian Air Force. Currently, the Air Chief Marshal is R.K.S. Bhadauria, and the term is going to come to an end by September 30th. This necessitated to appoint a new person, and that will be Air Marshal V.R. Chowdhury. And Air Marshal V.R. Chowdhury commissioned into fighter stream of Indian Air Force on December 28th, 1982. The journey began and held various command staff and instructional appointments at various levels, including the current one as the Vice Chief of Air Staff. Alright? And Air Marshal V.R. Chowdhury was also decorated with the PVSM, AVSM, and Vayu Medal. So, Param Vishishta Seva Medal. Kindly remember all these things. Look at the points. And since we are going to get new chief for Indian Air Force, you need to know all these things. Look at this. Before becoming Vice Chief of Indian Air Force, he was serving as Commander in Chief for the Western Air Command, that looks into the security of Indian airspace in the sensitive Ladakh sector as well as the other parts of the North India. Very important one. And very recently, this this officer, that is V.R. Chowdhury, oversaw various operational deployments of Indian force in the front line bases in the background of the recent eastern Ladakh border standoff with China. Very important. And last year, what exactly happened? What was the standoff? What happened? We have discussed all these points during that particular time. Right? And when it comes to, this gentleman, the great person, Air Marshal V.R. Chowdhury, and he has a experience of flying more than 3,800 hours, and that includes MiG-21, MiG-23MF, MiG-29 and Sukhoi 30 MKI fire jets. Huge experience, right? And apart from operational issues, Air Marshal Chowdhury will have to address the matters related to ambitious theaterization model of armed forces. Very important one. So very soon we are going to get theater commands, and in that theater commands, our chief of defense staff, General Bipin Rawat, right? Bipin Rawat is focusing more on bringing convergence among the three services. Since the new chief will be our Air Marshal V.R. Chowdhury, he has to play a very crucial role along with the chiefs of other wings of armed forces, that is Army and Navy. And kindly remember, when it comes to our current Army chief M.M. Naravane, right? Kindly remember this one. And current Navy chief is Admiral Karambir Singh. And very soon Air Marshal V.R. Chowdhury will be the new chief of Indian Air Force. Kindly remember the term of the theater commands. So very soon we are going to have it, and our chief of defense staff, General Bipin Rawat, is working very seriously on that one. And in this particular one, our three chiefs of Army, Air Force and Navy are going to play very crucial role. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class.